What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me what's going on with your garage. Well, I have the Memphis shades like I've been saying about for weeks. I have the Harley parts. I'm missing the exhaust. I have all my cabinets now. The only problem is they need to go on the wall, the ones that go above it, and these go all together, so it's all one unison piece. I don't know, next couple weeks, because my contractor was like, hey, let's do it Sunday. I'm like, Sunday's Mother's Day, bro. Oh, thanks for telling me. I'm like, yeah, it's Mother's Day, so he's not going to do it. So it'll be another week. And in the mix of it, I'm building a play set for my son, putting in sod in the backyard for it. It's just a mess. So today, we're going for another ride. I need to drop some stuff off at the post office, check the P.O. box while I'm there. And I got a topic I want to talk about. So let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I've been getting a lot of feedback about my P.O. Box videos, and it's great that people want to swap stickers and things like that. If you don't follow Big Smitty, I'm going to put a link up for him, but he had a rant that, it really touched a nerve on me too, and then it's like, oh, here we go, another guy ranting on YouTube. Well, here's the thing. I didn't ask anybody for anything when I started this channel either, and I agree with Smitty. We're doing this all out of our own pockets. Some of us have spent more money than we'd like to admit, and the bigger channels, I only have a GoPro and a little microphone. Yeah, I'm sure you do, but you also are sponsored, and there's a difference, and a lot of people don't get that. Like, for me, I bought this GoPro at Costco on one of my Costco runs in Cedar Park. And then, by the way, if you're in Texas, June 19th, Cedar Park meetup. Da, 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 da. So, I got it at Costco. A lot of us, we get these GoPros. I mean, some of us get stuff used. I mean, this camera in the front, I bought it used. Like, there is no shame. Some people don't even actually have GoPros. They have, like, things off Amazon, and they still make great content. Like, a lot of people have asked me, like, it's great, I love your videos. And I'm like, I'm great that you're subscribing. And, like, I've been helping people with audio issues. Like, people have reached out to me in the comments, like, I love your helmet setup. How did you get your audio to work? I need to create a video for it, because it's like, I think I've got like 10 people so far ask me this question, so I'm gonna make a video about it eventually. But we're all out here on our own making content, and we all have videos to make, and we all have other lives. So for me, the last couple of videos, yeah, I've stopped at the P.O. box, but because I get such an outreach from you guys, it's one of the things I have to do. And I live in a small town, so we don't have a Costco, this ain't Cedar Park, but we got a Sam's Club though. I have to get gas there later, but we're not there. I don't know why they don't put a Costco here. Like, seriously, maybe it's I'm not that far from Waco. They should put one in Waco, like Chip and Joanna Gaines. They brought all that money into Waco. Build a Costco. They got a Top Golf now. Why can't they have a Costco? That's quick. That's closer to me. What's up, my dude? So anyway, back to my rant. This isn't cheap. Like, I bought this used from some little old lady that went on a tour, like on a scuba diving tour. Could never get it to work. So there's deals to be had. A lot of people, even use their cell phone for a lot of the B-roll, and that's what I use. There's nothing wrong with that. So use what you got. Somebody did reach out to me shockingly last night on Instagram and said, hey, if we send you a headlight for your bike, I know you already got one, would you do a review? And I said, sure, but I got two stipulations for that. One, I'm not going to hold back my opinion in my video. If you send it to me and it's a piece of garbage, I'm going to tell you it's a piece of garbage on the video. If it's good, I'm going to tell you it's good. And two, I'm going to give it away to one of my subscribers if you send it to me. I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to give it to somebody else that might not have the budget to upgrade their bike, but they really want a brighter front headlight for their Sportster. If you're okay with that, then I'm going to do it for you. They agreed last night. I can't name the company. I'm shocked. I only got 160 subscribers right now. Like, you want me to do a review for your product? Okay, sure. I mean, you know, everybody's like, you know, talking about like getting free stuff. I didn't ask for this. It came in. I thought it was a joke. I thought it was one of those spam things. It's legitimate. So I'm like, all right, cool. Just don't 1099 me for the headlight at the end of the year, okay? Because I'm going to give it away to some lucky guy. So I'll figure out if it actually does show. I'm holding my breath. Like, I'm not going to hold my, I should say, I'm not going to hold my breath for it. If it shows up, it shows up. But maybe in the future, one lucky person that subscribes to my channel that has a 5.75 inch headlight, they'll get an LED headlight from somebody. I'll pay for shipping. Even if you live overseas, I'll pay for it. Because you know what? Like Schmitty said, we pay for this stuff all out of our own pocket. I ain't got no corporate sponsors. And you know what? If I did, I'd be really choosy too. Because I don't really like to name things, like, unless you got a good product. Alright, so let's get into the post office. And if you haven't heard, this video is not sponsored by my Senna. It just randomly goes off half the time. Alright, so I'll catch you guys in a minute. But you know, we're all out here to have a good time. We all decided to jump on the YouTube and take you along on our journey. And I can't believe, I'm still ecstatic. Like, I got like one person, I remember when I had one person just follow me on YouTube. And now I got like 160, I think? Yeah, 160. It just amazes me that like 106 people out there like what I do and want to see it. And you know, the more I do this, the more creative my content gets, the more I invest in myself, and you know, my equipment gets a little bit better. It's all part of the process. And you know, you can go out and spend, you know, exorbitant amounts of money, but you don't really have to. I mean, I think just recently, Blockhead, you know, I found out, I mean, I asked him a question. I was like, are you still shooting 99% of your content with a GoPro? He's like, yep. The only time he did it was when he went to the Indian review, and like, he can make it work. I mean, he probably has a couple GoPros. I mean, I got one Hero 8 and an old Session 5. It still works. I mean, look at Shade Tree. He's out there with a couple old GoPro Hero 4s. I mean, Flipnaw's got some too. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you're worried about it, don't be. Make it happen. So don't forget, well, this video will drop on Monday, but Sunday's Mother's Day. Make sure you take care of Mom or your wives. I got the cards nailed down. The gift is up in the air. You know, a lot of us motovloggers, I don't know if the bike is your hobby. The bike is actually my hobby, so, and doing this channel. So my wife says to me, I'm bored, I need a hobby.
What do you want? What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
So, I think we're gonna add a puppy to the family. We have a older dog that's probably gonna get royally upset that we got another dog, but I think she'll manage. So we're gonna add a puppy. I don't know if we should name it or what. I told her, you know, I wanted to get a dog too because like Nuka Carla has a little like Chihuahua that rides along with her. And I thought that would be cool because I could get the saddleman bag that you can put the little dog in, and I could get it a helmet. But I don't know if I have time for a puppy, a YouTube channel, and all the other stuff I do. So if my wife wants a puppy, I'll get a puppy. I just know I'm gonna get vetoed if I name it like Harley or Davidson or Panhead. Things like that, I'll probably get vetoed on. But should be interesting. He may pop, or she, I don't know yet, will pop onto the channel probably. I have a feeling, you know, new puppies don't understand, Daddy's doing a YouTube video, gotta keep it down, so we shall see. Maybe she can help with the mail call Friday videos, or yeah, I don't know yet. But we're gonna adopt a dog, we're not gonna go buy a dog. Obviously it's gonna be a puppy. They're just, all the puppies, man, they're like really far away from where I live in Texas, so it's like you gotta drive like an hour and a half. I'm like, well, I take that back. There are closer puppies, but you know, they go against the breed restrictions in my homeowner's insurance, which, if you don't know, if your dog was to bite someone and it's in that restricted breed list, they will not cover you. I personally hope any of my dogs never bite anybody, but I'd like to be covered since I'm paying for it every year. So unfortunately that takes out all the really cool dogs like German Shepherds and Schnauzers and Mini Pinschers, but there's still dogs out there that can be loved, that need a home. So see how busy the Sam's Club is. I've never really gotten gas from my motorcycle from there before, but you know, with everything going up but your paycheck and me paying for this out of my own pocket, so gotta make it work where I can. At least it's not really busy. I can swoop in. Oh man, I don't have to, that's the nice thing about having a motorcycle. I don't have to worry about fighting for a gas pump on the right side of my tank, because it doesn't really matter. That's awesome. Let's see. I mean, they're all really kind of stacked. Ooh. Follow the Prius. America.
America! Ellen! Ellen, the brake! Ah!
Prius with a tow hitch. I've seen everything. So in 2 weeks, it'll be the Get On Moto Fest, which I'm excited for, to meet other YouTubers. Like Shade Tree Surgeon and Flipknot, I think. Yeah, pretty sure Flipknot, the whole crew. And can we just talk about this Jeep setup here, my man? Wow, alright. So the Get On Moto Fest, I'm excited for it. I got a room picked out. My buddy Andy with the Road Glide's gonna come up with me. Should be a good time. Supposed to have like a flat track dirt race. I'm kind of excited for that. I've never actually seen it. Seems pretty cool. Plus I get to meet like Chase. I'm trying to mess with Whiskey Chaser, trying to meet up with him. I don't know anybody else locally in Texas. Matt on 9 Mils Matt. Yeah, he's going to be there. I'm going to meet up with him too. I think that's it Texas wise. I know like Sets or Pendants has a Vegas trip, and I'm not sure if Salty and Sprinkles are going to be around, or if they're doing it too. So we'll have to see. I'm hoping it's good because it's their first time doing it. So hopefully, you know, I'm hoping somebody like Revzilla knows what they're doing. They should. Either that or I'll have the whole place to myself. Okay, this makes absolutely no sense to me. Like, do you want people not to park there? Because it used to be available for use. And I don't get it. Maybe a trucker was there and somebody complained. I haven't no idea. Grass. Ugh. That's my problem riding in neighborhoods. People don't realize motorcycles and grass do not mix. Well, alright guys, that's all I had for today's video. It's going to be a short one, like I said. Just want to get on, speak my mind about what Smitty said. And, you know, it's Mother's Day, so I need to spend some time at the household. So everybody out there, be sure to take care of your moms, your wives, your significant others. Make sure they're taken care of. Because remember, Father's Day is coming up next month. So we all have parts for our bikes we want. Alright guys, if you haven't yet, please hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you next time.